If you are new here, I'm Nico, a French content creator living in Vancouver, Canada, documenting my journey to build my ideal life through consistent actions. This week was all about resetting, getting back into discipline, and finding momentum again, after a few slower days. In habits and in mindset. Monday, upper body day, heavy bench press and accessories. I'm adjusting my training approach, warm-up sets at 12 and 10 reps. Then heavier sets of 5 to 7 to push strength. I feel myself getting leaner while gaining muscle at 91 kilo. I'm eating more protein at night, fewer carbs, and making things simple. But I procrastinated at WeWork today. I've been tired, stressed with money. Still, I'm grateful I can live a rich life and pay for everything we are building together with my fiance. Tuesday, deadlift day. Testing barbell vs strap bar. Strap bar is easier for me, but I want to challenge my hamstrings more. I felt tired after training. I procrastinated a lot today, spent time studying chest openings and routines. Trained to climb past 700 elo. Wednesday, better sleep, more consistency. Stopping naps helped a lot. Morning at the barber shop, a small reset that made me feel fresh and social. Today's mission is to catch up on journaling, write videos 24 script, and get back into action. Squat day, I tested my max lift. At night, I did my last hot and cold at Cavalier. I loved it. I'm eating enough calories, leaning out, but staying above 90 kilo. I started a 30 days chest challenge to reach 1000 kilo. I've been recording every day. Thursday, Barry's class at lunch, running and dumbbell circuits at a good pace. Had dinner with my friend at a Taiwanese restaurant. That was so delicious. I started tracking every 30 minutes to see what I was doing with my time and reducing task switching. Not the best timing with holidays coming, but I need this habit now. Friday, it was a day off from the gym. In the afternoon, I work on tasks, weekly planning, and improving my app that I'm building. I ended the night watching a documentary with my fiance. Saturday, morning run, 8.5k at Stanley Park. Then chest again, but stuck at the same level. I need deeper analysis. We picked up the wedding bounce at Cavalier. I'm ready for this new milestone. We celebrated at a Korean restaurant after. Unique experience, but not my favorite. I procrastinated again and hit rock bottom while trying to be productive at WeWork. Sunday, a good day. I called my parents and then I ran 11.5k at Stanley Park to finish my 20k weekly goal. I recorded episode 24 at WeWork before church. I'm proud I pushed through. At night, I cleared small tasks and set myself up for a strong Monday. That's it for week 25. Not perfect, but disciplined days always return. Tracking my time, training hard, eating well, and building the foundation for a strong end of the year. If you're on your own journey, keep going. Follow the journey, and I will see you next week.